How to enable haptics and vibrations on your Android device. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily turn on vibrations or haptics on your Android. But before you get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get right into it. First thing first, you will have to access your phone settings, and once you open up your settings, all you need to do is find your sounds and vibration settings. Tap on it, and from here, scroll down a bit until you see System Vibrations. Tap on it, and if you want to enable vibration on any of these interactions like touch interactions, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, or charging, navigation, and gestures, you can also adjust the system vibration intensity from here. So if you go back, you will have a separate option for vibration intensity, which will control how much your phone will vibrate. And if you want to enable your haptic feedback on your keyboard, scroll down to General Management, tap on your keyboard settings, and from here tap on Preferences, and here on Haptic feedback on key press. Make sure that this is turned on. Tap on Vibration Strength and increase the vibration strength according to your preference. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.